teach Giant Rocks in their song All We Are. When you listen to the song the first time, it sounds kind of complicated, but it's really not that complicated. So I am going to simplify things. So this is just an arrangement, and starts out D, or E minor, D, E minor, C, E minor, D, C. That's what we'll call the verse. So that follows a kind of a nice pattern there. E minor to D, and then it goes E minor to C, and then it goes E minor to D, and then it goes straight to C for one whole measure by itself. C, 2, 3, 4, and then it repeats. 2, 3, 4. All right. So that's what we're going to call the verse. And now, let me just say, sometimes they're playing a B minor instead of the D. All right. So if you want to throw a B minor in here and there, you know, you can do that. It's going to work. But for the sake of simplicity, we're just going to stick with just always playing the D. All right, and if you don't understand that, just ignore it and just play it the way I play the verse, just, you know, the way I just taught it. All right, then there's a second section, which we'll call the chorus. Starts on an A minor, D, E minor, E minor, and that's the first part, and then it goes D, D, C, and that's the second part of the chorus. So, and then it's like, love, tell me what did you like, la, 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 love, tell me what you like, da, 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 da. That's the chorus. Love, tell me what you like, D, 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 C. Those two sections make up the rest of the song, but sometimes they're playing like fragments of them at different times. Like when I don't understand why they have actors in there who break into dancing and then they stop the dancing and they do dialogue. But during those sections where there's dialogue, it's basically the E minor, D, E minor, C, E minor, D, C. It's the verse. So you can play that there. There's a section where he starts singing falsetto, and it's a beautiful section. So they go into a different melody, but they're still playing this. Love, tell me what you like, la 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 la. So they're just playing the chorus, but they've changed the melody. And he's singing very, very high, which sounds beautiful. Do, 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 do. All right, and so that's just the chorus, and then they start a chant in the background. They're saying, take, take, take. All right, and that section is just the D, D, C, D, 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 C, D, 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 C. All right, It's just like the second half of the chorus. And then after that kind of phases out where they're chanting, then they go to the full chorus again. D, A minor, D, E minor, D, E, C. All right, so hopefully that simplifies things for you, and if you can figure out which sections are, go with which chord progressions, it can be a relatively, straightforward song. And if you want to get advanced with it, you can try throwing in some of those B minors to substitute the D's, here and there. So thanks for watching, and I hope you liked the lesson. And if you have questions, put them in the comments. A simplified arrangement here. Okay, thanks. Bye-bye.